Hey guys, Mr. D here. Today we're going to talk about the vocab word beat. We always start with beat in September because it is the most basic element in music we need to understand if we're going to make any kind of music this year. So the word beat, and there's always a heart with it because whenever we say beat in music, a lot of times you think of your heartbeat. Your heartbeat is a steady pulse that, as long as you're alive, continues to go on and on and on. It usually sounds like this, right? Sometimes it's faster, like if we're running a race. Sometimes it's slower if we're, say, sleeping or meditating. But no matter what, the beat never stops. So in music, we say that the beat is the steady pulse you feel in music. You feel it and you hear it. So if you're ever listening to a song and you could feel this repetition, that's the beat. And that's what we look for first thing before we start making music. So I'm going to use this handy dandy hip hop beat as an example. Let me play it for you real quick. Now, all those sounds together makes a rhythm, but we could feel the steady pulse that goes in there. So that's the beat. It makes a beat. Rhythm and beat are very related to each other, so we'll get into the differences soon. But right now, we're just working on trying to count along with the beat. And we count to 4 in music, mostly because it's a very simple number that we can group beats together and easily divide them. So a lot of times in music class, we use groups of 4. Once in a while, we'll use groups of 3. So if you listen again, you can hear the count off. The count off is the beat. Listen again. Try counting along. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You try it. Just try to say beat number 1 when it happens. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. Were you able to do that? Were you able to find just beat 1, just say beat 1? Sometimes it's tricky. You don't exactly know what to listen for, but if you count steady, that's steady's the key word. You want every number to sound exactly the same distance from each other. So you don't want to do 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not steady. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not steady at all. But 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's steady. So again, try to count along with this beat. Here we go. 3, 4. Okay. Now sometimes students have a really easy time doing that, and sometimes students don't. We'll keep working at it. If we were in class, we'd be playing the stick passing game where we take a stick, sit in a circle, and on a certain beat, we pass the stick. Older students might remember it's up, down, pass, grab. Well, here's a basic version that you can do at home to help you find the beat. So I found a plastic cup. You can find a cup or an action figure or whatever, something that's plastic so that when you drop it on the table or desk, it won't break or crack or anything. You don't want to grab one of mom and dad's like favorite coffee mugs. That's a bad idea. So try to find something simple. Again, a plastic cup works. If you've got like a G.I. Joe or a Barbie around, those work too, or maybe a little statue or something, whatever you want. A ball would probably be a bad idea because if you put it down, it might roll away. So I use something that doesn't roll, basically. So what I want you to do is, and I'm going to tilt my camera down so you can see, is I'm going to play this beat again, and I want you to pick up your cup on beat 4. So without the music, it would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Do you know what beat I put the cup back down? It's beat 1. So if you're doing the activity correctly, you should lift your cup up on beat 4 when you say the number 4 and put it back down on the table on beat 1 because you need to put it back. So let me show you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now, it's way more fun with music. So I'm going to give you some time with the backing track. I want to see you guys do it. Here we go. So picking the cup on 4, putting it down on 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Keep going. 4, 1. 4, 1. 4, 1. 4, 1. 4, 1. Very cool. Okay, I hope you were able to do that. We're going to add one more thing to it. On beat 2, we're going to clap. So it'll be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. It might seem a little complicating, but if you get into the groove of things, it will become a little easier. So let me start the beat again. I'll count out loud for a little bit, and then I'll stop so you can just feel the beat yourself. Okay, here we go. Ready? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Very cool. All right, so what I want you to do to finish this up is you think of something to do on beat 3. So we basically have the cup comes down on 1, we clap on 2, your choice for beat number 3, just as long as you pick up the cup on beat 4. So what can you come up with? Let me see. Show me. If you want to take a video, that's cool. But we'll do this in class, so I hope you had fun, and I'll see you there.